Why is Axure RP not as popular as other UI software? In the realm of UX design, there are several software tools that have gained immense popularity and become the go-to choices for designers. Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD often dominate conversations, leaving one to wonder, why isn't Axure RP as widely embraced in the UX community? This question has intrigued me for quite some time, and in this video, we will explore some possible reasons behind Axure RP's relative lack of popularity in the field. To begin with, let's acknowledge that Axure RP does have a presence in the design community, but it tends to lag behind the more popular UI-focused software like Sketch. In a survey conducted by UXtools.co in 2018, which included responses from 2,775 designers worldwide, Axure RP ranked 10th among prototyping tools. What's even more surprising is that prototyping with code claimed the third spot on the list. Digging deeper into the survey results, it becomes evident that Sketch enjoys overwhelming popularity. The company behind Sketch, Bohemian Coding, has done an impressive job of creating a sleek, fast, and well-supported product. One key factor contributing to Sketch's popularity is its strong emphasis on third-party plugins and support communities. This focus has fostered a vibrant ecosystem around the software, enabling designers to extend its capabilities and collaborate effectively. When conversing with UX designer colleagues and attending meetups, I have noticed that the majority of them primarily use Sketch as their design software of choice, even when working on enterprise products. As someone who has been using Axure RP for over 10 years, this disparity perplexes me. While Sketch certainly excels in certain areas, particularly in mobile app design and detailed UI work, it often introduces unnecessary complexity when it comes to UX design and testing. Axure RP 10, with its latest features, has undoubtedly delighted its loyal user base, including myself. The addition of symbol override functionality, developer inspect mode for generating red lines, CSS exporting, and documentation, as well as a Sketch plugin, demonstrates Axure's commitment to incorporating valuable features from other design tools. Furthermore, Axure RP boasts a range of powerful capabilities, such as the repeater feature, stackable dynamic panels, built-in flow mapping tools, and top-notch interaction logic. These qualities position the software as a leader in UX design when the focus is on user experience rather than just the user interface. However, it's essential to consider that my work primarily revolves around complex software, often in the enterprise domain. In these cases, the emphasis lies less on cool interactions and more on fulfilling flexible use cases. For instance, let's take a scenario where a user needs to consult a data table and use that information to model a financial transaction. In such situations, it becomes critical to test if the displayed data is correct, allow user inputs, and enable different pathways based on those inputs. Axure RP excels in addressing this threefold challenge. 1. The ability to easily update data grids with fresh and realistic data sets. Axure allows for realistic data integration by consulting content specialists to define the required data in an Excel table. This data can be quickly formatted and updated within Axure's repeater functionality. Additionally, each data value can be stored as a variable, ready to be utilized later in the design. 2. Enabling free-form collection of user inputs. Axure simplifies the process of capturing user inputs and utilizing them to drive the prototype's behavior. The software's intuitive interface allows for dynamic input interactions with a few clicks, enabling the creation of fully functioning data collecting forms within a short time frame. 3. Providing flexibility for users to explore different options. Axure's modular approach empowers users to interact with any element on the page, rather than being limited to predefined paths. By utilizing dynamic panels and linked windows, designers can separate elements such as navigation, detail panes, and tabs, enabling modular interactivity. This flexibility allows users to explore various options and interactions based on their needs and preferences. In contrast, popular design tools like Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD often prioritize a more streamlined and controlled user experience. While they excel in certain areas, such as responsive design and custom frame-based animations, they may fall short when it comes to handling complex UX scenarios like the ones mentioned above. These tools often focus more on the visual aspects of design, offering extensive UI capabilities but lacking the robust UX features provided by Axure RP. It is worth noting that this video is not intended to bash Sketch, Figma, or Adobe XD. Each tool has its strengths and is suitable for specific design projects. For simpler mobile apps or projects where fine-grained UI control is critical, these tools shine. Additionally, there are other software options available, such as Storybook for UI component management and Framer for designers who want to delve deeper into code. However, for those of us working on enterprise-level products or complex UX challenges, Axure RP emerges as a faster and more effective solution. Its focus on UX-centric features, seamless data integration, dynamic interactions, and modular design approach sets it apart. Axure RP enables designers to create realistic prototypes that truly mimic the user experience, facilitating thorough user testing and valuable insights. Despite its advantages, Axure RP might not enjoy the same level of popularity as other design tools due to various factors. One possible reason is the dominance of Sketch and its well-established plugin ecosystem. Additionally, the UX design community tends to gravitate towards tools that emphasize UI capabilities, often overlooking the more specialized UX features provided by Axure RP. In conclusion, the question remains, why isn't Axure RP more popular in UX design? While there may not be a definitive answer, it is clear that Axure RP's unique strengths in complex UX design, data integration, dynamic interactions, and modular flexibility make it an invaluable tool for those seeking a comprehensive UX solution. As the field of UX design continues to evolve, it is essential to consider the specific requirements of each project and choose the tool that best aligns with those needs. Perhaps by raising awareness of Axure RP's capabilities and sharing experiences within the design community, we can further appreciate its value and see increased adoption in the future.